Quick explanation of interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotions, sudden reactions, or feelings. It can stand alone or be part of a sentence, often followed by an exclamation mark, or a comma. Here are common interjections: surprise, wow, oh, happiness, yay, hooray, pain, ouch, ow, agreement, yeah, sure. Let's see how interjections work in sentences. Wow, that sunset is beautiful. Expresses surprise. Ouch, I just stubbed my toe. Expresses pain. Yay, we won the game. Expresses happiness. Ugh, I don't like this smell. Expresses disgust. Let's practice with some daily sentences. Wow, that cake looks delicious.
Wow, that cake looks delicious.
Oops, I dropped my phone.
Oops, I dropped my phone.
Yay, it's finally the weekend.
Yay, it's finally the weekend.
Oh no, I forgot my keys at home.
Oh no, I forgot my keys at home.
Aha, I found the missing book.
Aha, I found the missing book.
Ouch, that was a sharp needle.
Ouch, that was a sharp needle.
Ugh, this traffic is terrible.
Ugh, this traffic is terrible.
Whoa, that roller coaster was intense.
Whoa, that roller coaster was intense.
Phew, I almost missed the bus.
Phew, I almost missed the bus.
Huh, what did you just say?
Huh? What did you just say?
Ah, this coffee is so good.
Ah, this coffee is so good.
Ew.
That milk has gone bad.
Ew.
That milk has gone bad.
Bravo. You did an amazing job.
Bravo. You did an amazing job.
Oh, I didn't know you were here.
Oh, I didn't know you were here.
Yikes. That was a close call.
Yikes. That was a close call.
I'm not sure about this decision.
I'm not sure about this decision.
Hooray. We're going on vacation.
Hooray. We're going on vacation.
Alas. My favorite store has closed.
Alas. My favorite store has closed.
You shouldn't have done that.
You shouldn't have done that.
Gosh. This bag is so heavy.
Gosh, this bag is so heavy.